Do you have a book idea but don't know where to begin? Do you have a partially written manuscript and feel stuck? Hi, I'm Krista Dunk, an author, publisher, and author coach with 100X Publishing and the Author Acceleration Academy. Since 2012, I've had the privilege to help hundreds of authors in various ways to plan, write, publish, and market their books. Having worked with authors and being an author myself, I distinctly understand the challenges and needs authors have today. Many people have had a book idea on the back burner for a long time. Some have concerns about their writing skills. Most need an extra push, some support, and accountability to get their books finished. And pretty much every new author would love to ask questions and get help from an author coach. This is why I've been offering online book trainings since early 2019. If you decide to participate in the upcoming 3-day Write Your Book Challenge and Workshop, you'll have the opportunity to focus on fully developing the concept and goals for your books, outlining your content, taking massive writing action, getting encouragement and motivation as we work together as a group, and more. This challenge is a combination of pre-recorded and live Zoom trainings, so no matter where you are, you can participate. Here are a few examples of our training topics. How to write a book that captures the hearts and imaginations of readers. Complete your outline and accelerate your writing process. Identify your target reader and the outcome you want them to have. Avoid common writing mistakes many authors make. Learn about all your publishing options once your manuscript is complete. How to write so your concepts and wording flow well, self-editing tips, and more. At only $27, this challenge is a steal. So I invite you to sign up today and be a part of the next session. Replays will be made available to all attendees, so no worries if you're not available for all of our live Zoom times. So if you have a book in you or 10, I hope to see you in our next 3-day Write Your Book Challenge and Workshop. Keep reading for more details about our schedule and what past participants have to say. I hope to see you soon.